Hey guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. I am super excited to be doing this unboxing video, especially because I got a brand new item for me and my horse. If you yeah, so if you guys are excited, don't forget to leave a like and let's get started. Hi, this is me editing my video. So if you guys are seeing this movement in the background of the picture, it is a balloon. I have a balloon attached to my light. So if you guys are wondering, that's what it is. So excited. So pretty. This is what it looks like. Let's take it out. Oh yeah, I also did get this from Hilson. That's the website. This is the head stall. And this is the breast collar. I love this so much. Alright. Well, if you guys want to check out the website or this specific tack set, I'll have a link in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.